Welcome to the First-Time Homebuyers Seminar. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm excited to provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to begin your journey towards home ownership. Buying a home can be a daunting task, but with the right tools, you can make informed decisions that will benefit you financially and personally. What to expect during this seminar: expert advice from a licensed real estate agent in Gainesville, information on the home buying process, including financing options and home inspections, tips on how to find the right home for your needs and your budget, guidance on navigating the legal and the paper aspect of the home buying process. As a first-time home buyer, are you feeling worried, overwhelmed, stressed out? Guess what? You're not alone. The process of buying your first home can be a daunting and filled with uncertainties. However, we are here to support you and ensure that you navigate this journey with confidence and ease. Our primary objective is to equip you with the knowledge and resources necessary to make informed decisions throughout the home buying process. Our seminar aims to empower you, providing you with the tools you need to feel secure and confident in your ability to purchase your first home. We understand that this experience can be stressful, which is why our team of experts will be here to provide you with everything that you need. Our ultimate goal is for you to feel fully prepared and self-assured as you embark on your home buying journey. We firmly believe that with the right information and resources, you can make informed choices and discover the ideal home for you and your family. Let go of any fears that may be holding you back from achieving your dream of home ownership. We are here to support you every step of the way. Get ready to immerse yourself in an exciting and informative home buying seminar where we will go over everything in great detail. Again, our goal is that you will leave the seminar feeling confident and empowered, ready to make the right decision when it comes to buying a home. With over 25 years of hands-on experience in residential new construction, I have a wealth of not only knowledge, but also experience in the real estate industry and know all the ins and outs of the home buying process. I will share my knowledge with you in a fun and engaging way, ensuring that not only you learn, but also enjoy the experience. Let's begin the journey of home ownership together. Before we begin, my name is Shannon Sanborn. I'm a realtor here in Gainesville, Georgia, and serving the North Georgia area. A little bit about myself is I have over 25 years of residential experience in new construction before becoming a licensed realtor. I also hold a designation in home finance resource and pricing strategy. Why does that matter? Because I have the experience and the knowledge to guide you to your dream of owning that home. So let's get started. Finding the right home for you and your family. The process of buying your dream home. Number one is research. Number two, get pre-approved. Number three, find the right real estate agent. Number four, start looking. Number five, make an offer. Number six, negotiate. Number seven, get a home inspection. Number eight, finalize the deal. The significance of credit, preparing your credit to purchase your dream home. Number one, access loans and mortgages. Number two, lower interest rates. Number three, insurance premiums. One of the most important benefits of having good credit is that it makes it much easier to obtain loans and mortgages. Financial institutions and lenders use credit score to measure the borrower's creditworthiness, and a good credit score can greatly increase the chance of getting approved for a loan or a mortgage. On the other hand, A poor credit score can make it challenging to obtain credit, and if approved, the downside is the interest rates may be higher. Having a good credit score can also lead to lower interest rates. Financial institutions and lenders view individuals with good credit scores as less risky borrowers, and as a result, they offer lower interest rates. This can save borrowers a considerable amount of money over the life of a loan or the mortgage. Credit scores can also influence the insurance premiums paid by individuals. Insurance companies view individuals with good credit score as less risky and are likely to offer lower insurance premiums. On the other hand, individuals with poor credit scores are viewed as risky and they may be required to pay a higher insurance premium. In conclusion, the importance of a credit cannot be overemphasized. It impacts various aspects of our lives, from obtaining loans and mortgages to insurance premiums, job opportunities. Therefore, it's essential to maintain good credit scores by making timely payments and keeping your credit, what you use on your credit, low. Why getting pre-approved is necessary. Freddie Mac explains it the best. A pre-approval is an indication from your lender that they are willing to lend you a certain amount of money to buy your future home. At the end of the day, that's our goal, is for you to be able to buy that dream home that you've been looking for. Number one is credit. Number two, debt to income. Number three, other details about your loan. Running your credit check to check your score and your credit history is the first step. Understanding how much debt you have to what you make is very important to a lender. Figuring out your monthly payment you're comfortable with, along with other details about your loan, helps you understand what all goes into your loan. Looking at your total cash to close, down payment options, loan programs, and much more. Now that we have covered the importance of credits, let's take a look at some mortgage options and financing. Let's take a look at what is a fixed rate mortgage. These mortgages have interest rates that remain the same for the life of the loan. The next type is adjustable rate mortgage. These mortgages have an interest rate that can change over time. Government-backed loans, these loans are backed by the federal government and offer more favorable terms. So let's talk about a FHA loan. FHA loan, you can get approved with as little as 3.5% down. Lower credit score requirements allows a higher DTI, or debt to income ratio. The next one is a conventional. Again, conventional as low as 3 to 5% down, but you have to have a better, it's better for credit borrows. DTI, a little more strict, potential lower payments. USD loan, amazing zero down programs, credit scores minimum 640, income restrictions and property area restrictions. VA loan, amazing program for our veterans with no money down, much higher DTI allowed, and with a lower credit score is allowed also. When it comes to financing your home, there are many options available. However, it's important to understand the different types of mortgages and loans available to you so that you can make an informed decision. Finding the right real estate agent. I know you're probably thinking, aren't all agents the same? Unfortunately, no. So we want to give you 3 tips for finding the right realtor that will serve you and your family. Number 1, that has experience. Number 2, what are their credentials? Number 3, make sure you agree on the important details. I cannot stress enough to make sure that you agree on the important details. When it comes to purchasing a property, choosing the right realtor is one of the most important decisions you can make. A good realtor can guide you through the entire process, from finding the perfect property to negotiating the best deal. However, not all realtors are created equal. It's important to choose one with the experience in the particular region where you intend to purchase. When you plan to buy or sell a property, working with a reliable real estate agent is critical. But before you entrust your hard-earned money and valuable property to a real estate professional, it's essential to research them and their credentials. What to look for when researching a realtor. Experience. Find out how long the agent has been in real estate business and their track record of successful deals. Credentials. Check if the agent is licensed, accredited, and has any industry certifications. Professionalism. Read reviews and testimonies from past clients to get an idea of their work ethic and their professionalism. Communication skills. A good agent should be able to communicate effectively and keep you informed throughout the buying or selling process. Speaking of communication, here at City Mountain Realty, we have what we call a transaction coordinator that will handle the paperwork side of things. That way we can ensure that it's a smooth transaction. That way you're always in the loop of everything that's going on. We believe in communication 100%, no questions asked. First and foremost, a good realtor is someone who takes the time to understand your needs and priorities. Your realtor should work with you to create a clear picture of what you're looking for in a home, including your budget, desired location, and must-haves. By taking the time to truly understand your needs, a good realtor can help you save time by showing you only properties that meet your criteria. This can prevent you from wasting time on properties that don't meet your needs and can help you find your dream home more quickly. Start looking for a home. Finding your dream home doesn't have to be complicated. Number one, know the difference. Number two, explore different neighborhoods. And number three, document your home visits. Pertaining to know the differences, what are your must-haves and what would you like to have before you start your search? List all the features of home you would like and put them into must-haves or the wish list items. This will help you stay focused on what's really important. The second thing is to explore different neighborhoods. Every neighborhood has its own charm. Before you commit to a home based solely on the house itself, make sure that the area meets your needs for amenities, commute, school districts, and then spend some time exploring before you commit. We always recommend, if you find a house in a neighborhood, go visit that house on a Tuesday afternoon at 7:30. Go visit the neighborhood on the weekend, on a Friday night, just to see what type of atmosphere that neighborhood truly is. The third thing is document your home visits. Once you start looking at homes, the features will start to blur. What we suggest here at City Mountain is to keep your phone handy, keep your camera handy, and document what you love and don't love about each property you visit. Also, snap a picture of the for sale sign to help you keep them separated. So when you show up at a property, first thing you do is take a picture of that sign. Any features that you like in that house, take pictures throughout it. And as you get ready to leave that property, take another picture. That way you can keep them separated when you go back later that evening and start trying to figure out which ones you like the most and which home you want to put a property on. No worries. It's not as complicated as you may think. With a bit of research and some expert help, you'll be on your way to your dream home in no time. Let's simplify the process together, because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. The next thing, what goes into an offer? 3 things that goes into an offer: your earnest money, consider your contingencies, and how much to offer. So what is earnest money? Earnest money is a deposit of money that a buyer puts down when making an offer on a property. It is usually a small percentage of the offer price, typically around 1 to 3% of the purchase price. The deposit is held in a escrow account until the sale is complete. Once the transaction is finalized, the deposit applies towards the down payment or your closing cost. When it comes to buying a home, it's important to protect yourself from potential risk. One way to do this is by including contingencies in your offer. These clauses allow you to back out of the transaction without facing legal actions or losing your earnest money. The most common contingencies are home inspection, appraisal, finance and sale, and title. Buying a house is a significant financial decision that requires careful consideration and planning. One of the most critical steps in the home buying process is making an offer. However, determining the right offer can be challenging given the various factors that influence it. Here are some factors that affect the right offer for a house. 3 factors that should be considered when submitting an offer. Number 1 is competitive housing market. The competitiveness of the housing market plays a critical role in the right offer for a home. In a seller's market where the demand for homes exceeds the supply, the right offer should be closer to the asking price or even higher. In contrast, in a buyer's market where the supply exceeds the demand, buyers have more negotiating power and the right offer may be lower than the asking price. Length of time on the market. The length of time a home has been on the market is another critical factor that affects the right offer. If a home's been on the market for an extended period, the seller may be more willing to accept a lower offer. However, on the flip side, if the home has just been listed, the seller may be more inclined to wait for a much better offer. Number of other buyers interested in the same property. The number of other buyers interested in the property is another factor that affects the offer right away. If many buyers are interested in the property, the seller may receive multiple offers, resulting in a bidding war. In such a scenario, the right offer may be higher than the asking price. And with our current market, we see that a lot where different homes are getting multiple offers. And a lot of times we're seeing that the offer that is accepted is over the list price. Negotiate to win. Negotiating for the right offer can be tough, but fear not, because we're in the fight with you. So there's 3 things that you can do to negotiate to win the offer. Ask for closing cost. The second thing is communicate with your realtor. And the third thing, and I stress this all the time to my clients, don't be afraid to walk away. When it comes to purchasing a home, many people focus solely on the sales price. However, what you may not realize is that you have the ability to request seller concessions beyond the price of the home. What are seller concessions? They are expenses that the seller agrees to pay for as a part of the home sale. This can include things like your closing cost, property taxes, and even repairs. By negotiating for other seller concessions, you can potentially save thousands of dollars on your dream home. It's also critical to protect yourself and avoid any potential legal issues that may arise from the negotiation process. This is where your real estate agent comes into play. So what is the role of your real estate agent during a transaction? Your agent is your representative and has your best interests in mind. They have the experience, the knowledge to handle negotiations and communicate with the seller in a professional and effective manner. By asking your agent to handle conversations between you and the seller, you can avoid any misunderstandings or miscommunications that may put you at risk. The benefits of having your agent as your mediator. Your agent can phrase questions and requests in a way that protects your interests without compromising the deal. Your agent can help you avoid any legal issues that may arise during the negotiation process. Your agent can provide valuable insights and advice based on their experience in the real estate industry. Your agent can help you maintain a professional relationship with the seller, which is important. As a home buyer, one of the biggest challenges you may face is negotiating with the seller on the price of the home you want to purchase. While some sellers may be willing to negotiate and come to a compromise, others may be more rigid in their asking price. And I always stress this to all of my clients that are looking to buy a home. Why walking away sometimes is often the best choice. In some situations, you may encounter a seller who just says, hey, I don't want to budge on the price. This is what I want, and I'm not going to drop the price. While it can be tempting to engage in a bidding war and throw caution to the wind, this is not always the best course of action. If a seller is unwilling to come down on the price, it may be a sign that the home is overpriced or that the seller has unrealistic expectations. Again, we see this all the time where a seller is not willing to budge on the price. In this case, walking away may be the best option, since overpaying for a home can put a strain on your finances in the long run. And we always tell our clients, if it's outside of your budget, it's better to walk away than make a decision that's going to put you in a financial bind in the upcoming months or years. The importance of a home inspection. Understanding the home inspection process, hire a qualified inspector, and negotiating repairs. What can you expect during a home inspection? During a home inspection, an inspector will examine the property's exterior and interior, including the roof, plumbing, electrical systems, HVACs, foundation, walls, and much more. The inspection process usually takes a few hours to complete, depending on the size of the property. The bigger the property, the longer that it's going to take. The inspector will then provide a report that outlines any potential issues with the property. The report may also include recommendations for repairs or maintenance. So how do we negotiate any issues that arise? If the home inspection reveals any issues, we negotiate with the seller to address them before closing the deal. We ask the seller to either fix the issues before closing, lower the asking price, or provide a credit to cover the cost of repairs. It is essential to work with a real estate agent to negotiate any issues that arise during the home inspection process. Your agent can help you understand your options and advise you on the best course of action. Remember, a home inspection is a critical step in the home buying process, and it's essential to take it seriously. A thorough inspection can help you avoid costly repairs down the road and ensure you're making a sound investment. With over 25 years of the experience in residential new construction, I know the ins and outs of what goes into a house, from the proper way to do electrical to plumbing. Does that mean that I'm the home inspector? No, that means that I had the experience to give you guidance and advice on negotiating when we go to negotiate, when we submit an offer. What to bring to the closing table. This is an important step. It won't be long now before you have successfully bought your first home. Number one, this is pretty self-explanatory. A form of identification like a driver's license or passport. I've seen numerous times where go to closing and someone forgets their ID. They think that it's in their car and they realize that it's not in their car. So always stress, make sure that you bring your ID with you. The second thing is proof of funds. Certified or cashier's check. This is a secure form of payment that is widely accepted. You can get a certified check from your bank or your credit union. It guarantees that the funds are available and that the check is legitimate. You can also get a cashier's check from your bank. It's similar to a certified check, but the funds come from the bank account instead of yours. You will need to provide the check for the exact amount of closing costs. The next option is wire transfer. This is another secure payment option. You can transfer the funds directly from your bank account to the seller's bank account. You'll need to provide proof of the wire transfer to the title company or closing agent. It is critical to plan ahead and make sure that you have the funds available for closing costs. You should always check with your lender or closing agent to confirm the payment method they prefer. By using one of these payment options, you can ensure a smooth and secure transaction. This brings us to a close of our seminar today. So what are the benefits working with City Mountain Realtor? It won't be long now before you have successfully went through the process of buying your first home. Some of the benefits of working with City Mountain Realty is one, our experience, and two, the benefits. Experience matters when buying a home. When it comes to buying a home, it's critical to work with a realtor that has the right experience. As a seasonal professional with over 25 years of hands-on experience in all phases of new construction, I can help you navigate the complex process of buying a home with ease. Throughout my career, I have developed a reputation for my exceptional customer service skills. I believe in building long-lasting relationships with my clients and the community in which I serve every day. My primary goal is to ensure that my clients receive the best possible service and guidance throughout the home buying process. My passion for helping others and educate them about the home buying process has led me to obtain two notable designations as a home finance resource specialist and a pricing strategy specialist. With these designations, I can provide you with the latest information and strategies to help you make the best possible decision when buying your first home. Again, choosing the right realtor is a first step towards finding your dream home. As City Mountain Realty, we are committed to providing our clients with exceptional service, guidance, and support throughout the entire home buying process. With my experience and knowledge, dedication, you can trust that you're in good hands when working with me. Let me help you find your perfect home today. Experience the benefits of working with City Mountain Realty. The first thing is free moving service. At City Mountain Realty, we understand that moving can be a challenging and stressful experience, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. That's why we offer free moving services to all our clients, so you don't have to worry about packing and unpacking your belongings. Our team of professionals will take care of everything, ensuring that your move is as smooth and stressful-free as possible. Not only that, we also include a 1-year home warranty. Purchasing a home is a significant investment, and it's essential to have peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. That's why we provide a free 1-year home warranty to all our home buyers. This warranty covers the cost of any repairs or replacement of major home appliances and systems, giving you the confidence to make your purchase with ease. With City Mountain Realty, you're just not getting a real estate agent. You're getting a trusted partner who will guide you through every step of the home buying process. Our team of experts will help you navigate the real estate market, answer any questions you may have, and ensure that you find the perfect home that fits your needs and your budget. When you choose to work with City Mountain Realty, you're just not getting an experienced agent. You're getting a team of professionals who are dedicated to you and your family. I want to take the time to thank you so much for joining me today in the First-Time Homebuyers Seminar. If there's ever a time that you have any questions whatsoever, whether it's about the home buying process or about mortgage, please reach out to me give me a call, or you can shoot me a text message, or you can send me an email, and I would love the opportunity to serve you and your family. As always, thank you so much for watching this seminar, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.